It's America in 1903. Wright brothers are testing flight, Harley-Davidson's forming, and Ford Motor Company emerges with $28,000 capital. In a rented factory on Mack Avenue, Detroit, Henry Ford prepares to revolutionize transport. 3 Ford vehicles are crafted this first year, signaling a year of pioneering ambition. In the summer of 1903, Detroit was a city poised for change. With $28,000 in capital, Henry Ford opened the Ford Motor Company. The first challenge, producing an affordable automobile for every American family. That year, the company produced just 3 cars, yet the seeds of revolution were sown.
In 1903, skepticism loomed large. The automotive landscape was littered with 21 failed car manufacturers. Many doubted Henry Ford could succeed where others did not. The turning point? His singular focus on producing a vehicle for the masses, not just the affluent few.
In 1913, the moving assembly line transformed manufacturing forever in Dearborn, Michigan. By reducing assembly times from 12 hours to just 1.5 hours, Ford could now produce a Model T every 24 seconds. It marked the dawn of modern mass production.
By 1923, Ford was an industrial titan, claiming more than 50% of the U.S. car market and generating revenues upwards of $2 billion. Facilities spanned 6 continents, employing over 200,000 people. Its impact was unparalleled in industry.
In 1914, Henry Ford stunned the world by offering a $5 daily wage, double the industry standard. This radical move reduced turnover and revitalized worker loyalty, redefining the employer-employee relationship. Ford believed in those who made his dream possible.
The Great Depression of 1931 brought Ford to its knees, with production plummeting by 50% to 1.3 million vehicles. The company teetered on the brink, yet strategic pivots and resourceful management allowed it to survive amidst staggering losses.
Today, Ford stands as a testament to innovation and endurance, with a reach in over 100 countries and employing 182,000 individuals. The company's legacy of affordable transportation and industrial innovation reshaped the globe, from Detroit to distant shores.
The story etched in history, 15 million Model Ts by 1927, defined the modern automotive era. The truth unearthed here teaches us that relentless innovation, coupled with resilient spirit, creates empires that echo in the annals of time.
This research took decades to build and hours to bring to you. If this moved you, like it. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to ORBIS Legacy. It costs you nothing, but it keeps this archive of human ambition alive forever.